Ever wondered how your phone knows what you're going to type before you even finish typing it? Or how Netflix always recommends the perfect show for your Friday night? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence, or AI. But how does AI actually work? Is it a tiny robot in your phone thinking really hard? Not quite. Stick around, because today we're breaking down how AI thinks, learns, and performs tasks. And trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. AI is everywhere these days. It's in your phone, your car, even your fridge. Yes, your fridge. But what exactly is AI? Is it a brain in a box, a super smart computer? Well, kind of. AI is basically a set of algorithms, fancy math, that helps machines learn from data and make decisions. Think of it like teaching a dog new tricks, except the dog is a computer, and the tricks are things like recognizing your face or predicting the weather. Let's start with the basics. AI works by processing a ton of data and finding patterns in it. For example, if you show an AI 1,000 pictures of cats, it can learn what a cat looks like. Then, when you show it a new picture, it can say, "Hey, that's a cat." But here's the kicker. AI doesn't actually know what a cat is. It just knows that certain patterns of pixels usually mean cat. It's like if you memorized a recipe but had no idea what the ingredients tasted like. Now let's talk about how AI learns. This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is like teaching a kid to ride a bike. At first, the kid falls a lot, but over time, they get better. AI works the same way. You give it data, it makes mistakes, and then it adjusts its thinking to get better. For example, if an AI is learning to recognize spam emails, it might start by flagging everything with the word free. But over time, it learns that not all free emails are spam, just the ones that also say Nigerian prince. Let's take your phone's voice assistant. When you say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" Your phone doesn't actually understand you. Instead, it converts your voice into data, analyzes it, and matches it to a command. It's like playing a game of telephone, except the AI is really good at guessing what you meant. And if it gets it wrong, well, that's why Siri sometimes thinks you said "call mom" when you clearly said "set a timer." Or take Netflix. How does it know you'll love that new rom-com? It's not because Netflix knows you're secretly a hopeless romantic, though it might. It's because AI analyzes what you've watched before, compares it to what millions of other people have watched, and predicts what you'll like. It's like having a super smart friend who knows your taste better than you do. Creepy? Maybe. Convenient? Absolutely. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if AI becomes too smart and takes over the world? Relax. AI isn't plotting world domination. It's just really good at crunching numbers. It's like that one friend who's amazing at math but can't figure out how to use a can opener. AI is powerful, but it's not sentient. It doesn't have feelings, dreams, or a secret desire to binge-watch cat videos. It just does what it's programmed to do. So why does all this matter? Because AI is changing the way we live, work, and play. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, farmers grow more food, and even artists create new music. But at its core, AI is just a tool, a really smart tool that's only as good as the data we give it. And that's the key. AI isn't magic. It's math, data, and a whole lot of trial and error. The next time you use AI, whether it's asking Siri for directions or letting Netflix pick your next show, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology behind it. And if you're curious to learn more about how AI is shaping the future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tech topics you'd like me to break down. AI might not be a tiny robot in your phone, but it's still pretty amazing. From recognizing your face to predicting your next favorite show, AI is changing the world, one algorithm at a time. So go ahead, embrace the future. And remember, the next time Netflix recommends a show you love, you can thank AI for being your personal TV matchmaker. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Now go impress your friends with your newfound AI knowledge. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, click here to watch some of my previous videos that make you smarter. See you in the next one.